The electricity is back. Hooray! Okay, Peppa.
Take it out. This is your Play-Doh.
And George are just finishing their supper. Oh, sorry. I'm a bit tired.
Thank you.
George and I aren't sleepy at all. Can we play outside? It's almost your bedtime. Can we play outside for just a time? Please, Mummy. Please, Daddy.
All right. But you must come in when we call you for your bath. I don't know where they get their energy from. Peppa and George are playing one last game outside.
Two. One.
Lots of muddy two.
Peppa and George are wearing their boots. They're going to jump up and down in muddy puddles. Peppa loves to
One.
jump up and